A kid on the overpass thought he'd play target practice with passing cars, tossing rocks like he's in his own video game. Only problem is, real life doesn't have a reset button.
Should I call the cops?
Yeah, you should call the cops.
What?
Driver zooms past a speed camera only to get hit with instant karma. Guess they didn't see that coming. Mirrors are there for a reason. Use them before you star in someone else's video.
Ooh!
Are you kidding me? It's a stop sign! Yo, what the?
Which is a treatable problem that affects the speech muscles. So much so that Lindsay wasn't going to come with me for the consultation. The girls had a swimming lesson that night, so it would have made more sense for her to go straight.
Driver blasts through a red light, nearly causing a crash. Guess they thought red meant really fast. Check out this reckless driver. First he almost hits this driver, and then he pulls this stunt.
Oh my god. Holy sh... That would have been horrible. Oh my god.
On the evening of December 4th, 2023, Arkansas State Police Trooper Anna Escamilla conducted what seemed like a routine traffic stop on Interstate 40 in Lonoke County. But this stop was anything but ordinary. As Trooper Escamilla approached the vehicle, a strong smell of marijuana filled the air. A search of the vehicle revealed a staggering find.
You're good. How are y'all? Good. My name's Trooper Escamilla with the Arkansas State Police. The reason I'm making contact with you is your speed, okay? Yep. Just trying to make sure that everybody's driving good, nobody's speeding, and doing DWI enforcement. No, your speed. Oh. Okay. You're good. You're good. Do you have a driver's license? You're good. Where are y'all traveling to?
We're going to Miami.
Okay. Where y'all coming from? Okay. Whose car is it? Do you have your rental agreement? Should be in your email. Your rental agreement. Okay, here, hold that. Let me have you, is your English good? Okay, let me have you hop up, come to my car. Yeah. Yeah, bring your phone, so your license.
Can I just translate for him?
Yeah, you can tell him to come over. Do you have any weapons?
No.
Guns? Can I check?
No, yeah?
Okay. Come sit in my car.
Okay.
What language do you speak?
Portuguese.
Okay.
Yeah, I'm learning. I'm taking classes.
My name is Trooper Escamilla. The reason I'm making contact with you is for your speed.
Yeah, for speed.
Meu nome é Troopers. Me dê motivo pelo qual estou
the reason.
fazendo contato com você pela sua velocidade.
I don't know why, because I put in the car system.
Where are you traveling to?
We're traveling to Miami.
How long are you going to Miami?
We are going there a few weeks.
Okay. How long?
How long there in Miami?
Yeah.
Just a few days. Yeah.
Oh, okay. So you're only going for a few days?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. What is in the suitcases?
Our baggage,
Yeah, what's in it?
our stuffs,
Clothes?
clothes, our dogs, clothes.
Do you have anything illegal in there?
No.
Do you have any large quantities of marijuana?
No.
You smell like marijuana.
No. A cigarette. I have a cigarette.
You haven't smoked marijuana?
Cigarette? Yeah, cigarette.
Do you smoke marijuana?
No, cigarette. Tobacco.
Okay. Let me have you hop out. Get
What? Oh, yeah.
Over here. Have you smoked marijuana today? Earlier? When you left California? You sure? Because he smells like it and the car smells like it too. Weapons? No weapons? Okay. Come take a seat in the car. You're going to sit on the other side.
6 suitcases, each loaded with over 800 pounds of high-grade illegal cannabis, were discovered, worth a jaw-dropping $3.6 million on the street.
Sai daqui, amigo.
Calma, e agora?
Ela vai abrir, já era, amigo. A gente se fudeu.
The driver, 33-year-old Rene Rodriguez from Brazil, was en route from California to Miami, Florida. After being taken into custody, Rodriguez faced serious charges, including drug trafficking and possession of drug paraphernalia.
What's happening?
Here.
What?
We never gave you permission to search our car.
What?
Here.
What's going on, ma'am? A gente tá preso.
E agora?
A gente tá preso. Não sei. Ma'am? What's going on?
Here. Hands.
Please, can you tell me what's going on?
Yes, here.
Please, can you tell me what's
Yep,
going on?
here, hold up.
Tô passando mal.
Hey, I'm gonna have several kilos of an unknown substance. So I'm not sure what this is, so I'm gonna stand by for another.
Ultimately, Rodriguez negotiated a guilty plea to possession with the intent to deliver a controlled substance, a Class B felony, carrying a potential penalty of 5 to 20 years in jail and a fine of $15,000. Some cyclists act like traffic rules don't apply to them, as if they've got a special free pass on the road.
Okay, Garmin. Save video.
Whoa! Jesus goddamn Christ.
Driver runs a red light right in front of a cop and gets served instant justice. Talk about bad timing.
Yeek!
Okay, Garmin, save video. These 2 vehicles just hit.
No, sir. Not you wouldn't. Oh,
Oh. There's an accident right in front of me, Dad. I gotta get on the phone. There's an accident.
A distracted driver swerves, causing an accident, then just drives off without a care. To top it off, they're still on the loose.
Oh my god!
Come on, go, dude.
Speeding driver runs a red light and gets T-boned. At least he stopped and owned up to his mistake.
Are you okay, Scott? We are in the Lexus SUV, gray. White color, Nissan.
Oh no! Oh shit! Oh my god!
911 kumura.
Ya, ¿cómo sana?
Down. Even the ham radio they used to communicate with school kids and interested radio operators wasn't functioning. He was alone. His heart was. The thought of his family coping with whatever had happened was untenable.
Yep, that's.
It was exacerbated by the idea of waiting for.
Some history with Stuart Haas. They had some very hot streaks, right? Everybody was winning on the team, and then there was a cop.
Let's check out some wild close calls and accidents. Brace yourself for some jaw-dropping moments.
Oh, wow. That guy went right through a red light. Right through a red light. Should I be a witness? Oh my God.
The guy that
I have it on my camera.
You went on the phone.
Jesus.
Oh!
Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to comment down below which clip you liked the most. Also, don't forget to subscribe and like this video.